pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee. Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Today is Wednesday, May 20, 2020. Today is Wednesday, May 20th, 2020. Yesterday was Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Today the weather is sunny and the temperature will be 90 degrees Fahrenheit. How are you feeling today? Are you mad? Are you happy? Are you relaxed or are you sad? Remember to be active at least 30 minutes a day.